Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So students, those are new book of freestyle class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you about the topic factors and multiples. So what are factors? What are multiples? All these things we are going to learn in our today's class. So objectives of the today's class will be understanding what are factors, what are multiples. So let's take an example now. Suppose there are three girls going for gardening. Hima is walking with her steps of 70 centimeter. Jaya is walking with 65 centimeter steps, and Shushma is walking with 60 centimeter steps. Can you calculate what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance? Yes. So this is one example, okay, which will help us to learn what is factors and multiples. Now let us take another example. Okay, Sam uncle wants to arrange this 12 plants in rows having equal number of plants. In how many ways he can arrange? Okay, so the first way is like this, like keep the 6 like this. Okay, two rows where six plants are there. Another example is like there are 4 rows, in each row there are 3 plants. Okay, so this we already took. So 3 rows where 4 plants are there in each row, and 6 rows where there are 2 plants in each rows. Okay, so 1 row where there are all the 12 plants. So did you observe this? We can arrange the plants in the following order: 1 into 12, 3 into 4, 12, 4, 2 into 6, 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Multiplying them always gives us 12. So what are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. These numbers exactly divide 12. So these are known as factors. So what is a factor? A number which exactly divides the given number are called the factors of that number. Yes, factors of 12 are, okay, 1 divides 12, 2 divides 12, 3 divides 12, 5 doesn't divide, so it is not a factor. 5 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. See, it doesn't divide 12. 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12, and 12 divides 12. So all these numbers are known as factors of 12. Okay, now let's take more example. Let's take 6 as an example. So what all numbers can divide 6? Let's start with 1. Okay, so 1 divides 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. Okay, so 2 divides 6, 2 threes are 6. 3 divides 6, 3 twos are 6. Again the same thing, 3 into 2. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, you may say, sir, 0. What about 0? If we take 0 as a factor, all the numbers will be. So 0, can we can this be? So 0 won't be. Okay, 0 into any number is 0. So we can't start with 0. We need to start with 1. Okay, so what are factors of 10? So what all numbers can divide 10? Start from 1. 1 tens are 10. Okay, so write 10 here. 2 fives are 10. Write 5 here. 3, can we divide by 3? No. Can we divide by 4? Can we divide by 5? Yes, we have already written it. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. No matter what number is there, 1 will be always, 1 and itself will always be the factors. Okay, so what are factors of 7? 1 can divide 7, 2 cannot, 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 cannot, and 7 can. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So remember, factors of the prime numbers are 1 and itself only. Okay, so yes. Now what is multiple? Suppose you have a number 2. You multiply 2 with any number, any whole number, whatever numbers you get, those are known as multiples. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so these numbers are called as multiples. Yes, so what are multiples here? The multiples of 4 are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay. So do you remember the factors of 10, which are 2, 1, 2, 5, and 10? Okay. And now multiply this by this numbers, you get 10. A number is a multiple of its factor. Yes. Now write all the multiples of 8 till 100. Okay, so 8 is the factor. It's nothing but tell the tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. सर आगे नहीं आता है, करना है. 8 11s are 88, 8 12s are 12 8s are 96. Okay, 13 8s are 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 104. But it is exceeding 100. So this numbers are the multiples of 8 till 100. Yes. So how many numbers? How many multiple can a number have? Infinitely many. Yes. So find whether 87 is a factor of this or not. So how to check whether 87 is a factor of this or not? Divide this number by 87. If it is perfectly divisible, it is a factor. Otherwise, it is not. Find whether this is a factor of this. Same thing. Divide this by this. If you get a whole number, it is a right answer. Now, see this. 13962. Why? 39. So can I divide this by any other number? Like, do we have? Okay, let us divide this by 39 and check whether it is absolutely divisible or not. 13962. 13962 divided by 39. Check this out. 13 I cannot divide, so 139 by 39. 39 tens is 390, 400 approx 200. So it is 39 3s are 3 4s are 12, right? Check with 4. 4 9s are 36, 3 4s are 12, 13 14 15. Not with 4, check with 3. So 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 10 11, 117. Okay, subtract it, you get 2, you get 2. Take the next number down, divide it by 2. So check 3 and 22. Okay, 3 sevens are, if I take sevens are, it will be big. Check with 6. 6 nines are 54, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 5, 23. Okay, so 39 into 6 is also big. Check with 5. 39 into 5. 9 5s are 45, 5 3s are 15 plus 19, 195. 39 5s are 195. Subtract it, you get 1 and 22 minus 19 is 3. Take the next number down, which is 2, 312. Okay, so 390, check with 8, 39 into 8. 8 nines are 72, 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 7, 31. Okay, So it is 3, 1, 2. We got remainder 0. It is perfectly divisible. So 39 is a factor of this. The factor always divides the number. We get a whole number. Okay, we get a natural number. So those are factors. Find 8 multiples of 80. Very easy. Okay, so you know the tables of 8. Keep on writing them. So 8 ones are 8, write 80, 8 twos are 160, 8 threes are 240, 8 fours are 320, 8 fives are 400, 8 sixes are 8 sevens are 560, 8 eights are 640. These are 8 multiples of 800. You can write like this also: 80, 800, 8000. Okay, so 80,000 and so on. Okay, those are also multiples of this. Okay, so the multiples of 5 between 32 and 62. Tell the tables of 5. 5 6 are 30. I can't write, it is less than 32. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. These are the multiples of 5 between 32 and 62. Okay, what are factors of 10 and 35? Take out the common factors. The factors of 10. Okay, so yes, the factors of 10 are factors with the number which divide 10. Multiples are multiply them. So 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 5 is the factor, and 10 is the factor. 35, 1 is the factor. We can't divide by 2. We can't divide by 3, by 4. We can divide by 5, which is 7 5s are 35. And then we have the only number which is 35. So what are the common factors? So 5 is the common. Okay. So 35 is known as the 5 is known as the common factors. Okay. So match the following. Yes. So see this, multiple of 8. Do we have multiple of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. एक ही है, so this. Multiple of 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. Multiple of 70. Okay, so this should have been factor 70, 140. I don't see 70 or something. So let us check factors of 30. Okay, so factors of 30 is 15 twos are 30. Factor of 20, 20 is the factor of 20. So multiple of 70. So this should be fixed. So multiple of 70 is 210. Okay, yes. Factors of 50, even we can take this as 25. Okay, so the thing is, there are 5 numbers here and there are 6 here. So factors of 50 is 25. Now all the numbers are taken, so multiple of 20 is 210. They forgot to write 210 here. That is the answer. Okay, so let's do this fun activity. Think of a number, double it, add 10, half it, take away, and then you start this. You can play this with your friends. Okay, so Rahul have 360 candies. He wants to store them in a different drawers equally. How many ways he can store his candies is nothing but factors. Okay, so in one drawer he can store one chocolate, and other drawers he can store 360. In one drawer he can store two, others 180. Okay, so 3 and 120. Like this you keep on doing. 4 and, okay, let me write it here. Okay, so 360. So he has, assuming in how many ways he can store, assuming he has, see this, in one drawer he can like 1 and 360, like this. 2 and, okay, 1 into 360, he can't arrange like 1 and 360, he will get 361, not like this. So in only one drawer he can place 360, In 2 drawers, he can place 180, 180. Okay. So in 3 drawers, okay, he can place 120, 120, 120 chocolates. In 4 drawers, he can place 90, 90, 90, 90. In 5 drawers, he can place 72, 72, 72. In 6 drawers, he can place 60, 60, 60. Okay. Can we divide by 7? No. Can we divide by 8? 8 fours are 32. So yes. In 8 drawers, you can store 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Yes. And next. So 10. So with 9 also. So he can store 36, 36, 36 like this in 9 drawers. Okay. So sorry, I mean to say 40, 40, 40 in 9 drawers, 36, 36, 36 in 10 drawers. Okay. So 12 30s, 30 chocolates in 12 drawers. Okay. So 15 twos are 30, 15 fours are 60. See, we are closing, nearing up, and so on. Okay, check out the more numbers from 15 to 24. That all arrangements he can store this. What should be subtracted from this number to make it a factor of 3? So divide this number by 3. Whatever remainder you will get, that much you need to subtract to make a factor. Okay, so the question is, what minimum number should be subtracted? You can subtract 3640 also. It will be 6. Still, it is a factor of this. Okay. So the minimum number which you should subtract is 3646 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. You do. The remainder is 1. So subtract 1. The answer is 3645. So what should be subtracted this to make it a factor of 3? 3 is a factor of 3645. Got this? Yes. Now let's play this quiz before finishing the chapter. Okay. So, okay, they are working on this. So, something has happened. So, yes, let's proceed. So, what did we learn today? So, we learned about the factors, we learned about multiples, what are factors, what are multiples. Okay, so that's all for today then. Yes, so students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.